This is the school that Rovens went to. It's a primary school, which is like 1st grade through 7th grade. Right now it's shut down. The whole lake area has no school. And the people here, they want to give me this land so that I can rebuild and I can build them a school. So it's possible. We can get a land title and we can make this available so that people can go to school. Right now there's, I don't know, probably 100 kids that are out of school and they're just farming and fishing and collecting water because they have nowhere to go. So hopefully we can raise enough money to rebuild this school. With your help, it would be appreciated. So here it is. Right now every classroom is temporary. They're all made out of mud. So every classroom is made out of mud. It's temporary. Hopefully the goal would be to rebuild out of brick. We would have to do 7 classrooms, P1, P2 through P7, and then some offices and a bathroom. With these 2 acres, we can fence it off, possibly get a borehole, a well, or a holding tank, start collecting water, do whatever it takes to help this school prosper, and so kids can get education. So right now they're missing education.
Thank the Lord that I'm in His good graces. All I know is I'm free and it's feeling so amazing. Everything I've been through, bringing me close to you. The fact that I'm here is proof. What am I without you, without you? Another eagle with these wings that are broken, that was made for something greater, and doesn't even notice who runs along the ground but should be higher than the wind. Don't be scared of your purpose. If you really want to live, you better fly.
Yeah.